Hey, our friends, they're gonna draw a submarine.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be really cool. You ready to start?
Yes.
We've drawn a submarine in the past, but this time we're going to draw a more realistic one. I think these are called Ohio Class Submarines, and we're going to start by drawing our submarine going straight up like a rocket. That way we could draw straight lines. We're also using marker paper to draw on. That's because we're using our markers to draw with. But you could also use something completely different like a colored pencil or even
Crayons.
Yeah, crayons would work great. Okay, let's first start by drawing the middle line right through our submarine. And I'm going to fill up most of my paper too. So I'm going to start right in the middle towards the top, and I'm going to draw a straight line towards my body. It's okay if it's a little crooked or wobbly. You could also use a ruler if you want. Nice. You're even closer to the edge.
Oh, whoops.
No, it's good. Gonna fill up most of the paper. Now we're gonna draw the bottom and the top of our submarine, but we're not gonna draw as long. So we're gonna come down from the center line and we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna draw another straight line, but we're gonna also stop. We're only drawing it about that long. So we're gonna stop early so that we can draw the front and also the back of our sub. Yes. Then we're going to match that same line over here on the other side. Good job. Now let's turn our paper sideways. Now it's not a rocket. We're going to draw the rest of our submarine. Let's start with the front, and I'm going to start here at the top, and we're going to draw a curve that comes out, touches that middle line, and then we're going to come back down and connect to the bottom. I got a little wobbly. That's okay, we're practicing, right? Mm-hmm. The most important thing is?
Have fun.
Yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Now back here, we're gonna draw a straight line coming down. And we're gonna draw a curve here, connecting to the top of that straight line. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the bottom. I like that your submarine is a little skinnier. That makes it look longer. Mine looks shorter just because it's taller.
Oh, yeah.
And that's awesome. It's okay that our two drawings are different. And now let's draw the fins back here. We're going to draw a line that comes up further and down further. Then we'll draw a short line in and diagonal line down on the top and also on the bottom to match. Now we're going to draw the side fins. We could draw a little curve right here. You can barely see the curve. But then we're going to draw a horizontal line on the top and bottom, coming back further. Then we can connect those two lines together. Oh, let's also draw a line going all the way through. The bottom of our sub is red, and then the top is a dark gray. I'm not sure what all of the names for the submarine or the different parts of our submarine is, but we also have this part that sticks up. And I tried to find out different names. I'm sure our friends know everything about subs, but sometimes I saw this called a sail, or this could even be the control room. But there's probably lots of electronics and cool technology stuff inside of this thing.
Yeah.
So we got this one coming up. Then we can draw a shorter one back here. Well, that's probably too big. That's okay. If I made this smaller, it'd make my sub look bigger. Then we're going to draw coming back and then diagonal down. Yeah, I drew this really big. Next time I'll draw it smaller. Then we can draw right here. I'm going to draw a shape right here. These look like little wings that stick out, and I bet this helps steer the submarine underwater.
Oh, yeah.
Then we can draw the periscope and also the little things that stick out, like snorkels and electronics. Probably some of these are antennas. I'm going to draw another one right here. And also, let's draw a line for the front cone. And we did it. We finished drawing our sub. It looks really cool, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video. To make this submarine look more 3D, when we're all done with the first layer, we use CG7, the dark gray for the top. I'm going to use that same CG7 to layer on top of the red to add a shadow. Ooh, squeaky marker. This is going to make it look more 3D because of the shadow and more round. Then we can also use a white colored pencil to add a little highlight on the top of our sub. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Ohio Class subs, and they turned out super awesome. And I love how simple they were. It wasn't too complicated. We just started with those straight lines and then turned our paper sideways to finish the details.
I also like how 3D it looks.
Yeah, just with a simple shadow and a little highlight, it makes it more round.
You could also add a background or draw the ocean.
Yes, you could draw the ocean line. Maybe you got the top of the water and the subs out. Or you could also draw all the way underneath the water and you got tons of cool sea animals.
Or other submarines.
Oh, that would be awesome.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a submarine with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.